Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye! Ko tuatara. Ko tuatara.
Yes, it's tuatara. The tail of the tuatara is very long. It has a row of pointed things on its head and down its back and tail. They're tuaitara, spines.
Tuaitara. Spines.
Did you know if you grab tuatara's tail, it might drop off? Then a new tail will grow back. And tuatara really like to dance.
Oh, yay!
Kua rite mai koutou?
Aye!
E tū tamariki mā. Are you ready to kanikani, dance, and waiata? Sing with us?
Me kanikani, me waiata. Yay! Matike, maranga, tutai o moena e hoa mā. Matike, maranga, ne tīmata tata ki te kori kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tāpaka peke peke paku paku e. Tahi ka oma tino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to i huroa e. Paia! Patutaki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e hoa mā? Matike, maranga.
What is that tuatara has given to you?
Aua!
Tākaro Tribe. That's Pāpā Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what tuatara gave you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure.
Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpai!
Did you enjoy dancing with the tuatara?
Aira!
Don't care. Awesome. I see you've brought something along with you. Do you know what it is?
Aua!
What colour is it?
Karaka! Orange!
It has fins, pakiho, on either side of its body to help it swim around in the water.
Fins! Pakiho!
It also has a dorsal fin, urutira, along its back.
Urutira! Dorsal fin!
And its body is covered with unahi, scales.
Unahi scales!
It's an ika.
Ika!
Okay, awesome. It's time for us to visit some friends.
Kōwhai! That's my colour! He tapatoru kōwhai! Kia ora!
Kia ora, tamariki mā. There are many kinds of ika. Some are big, nui. Some are small, iti. Some are long, roa. And some are short, poto. Some live in fresh water, Wao Māori. And some live in salt water, ētahi. Some are really good to eat. Reka, delicious.
Ika!
This is the letter E.
Kua hau! It's me!
It sure is. Shall we learn how to write the letter E?
I!
E. Start with a line straight down in the middle, then a line across the top, and a line across the bottom. Kapai. Let's do it again. Straight down the middle, then across the top, and across the bottom. E. Okay, awesome. I hear Kōkā calling you. Time for you all to visit Kōkā. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā!
What did you learn about today?
Ika!
Ika. Let's learn to spell it. Do you think we need an U?
Cow! E!
Do we need an E?
I! Re!
Do you think we need a R?
Cow! K!
Do you think we need a K?
I!
Do we need a P?
Cow!
Do you think we need an R?
I!
Seno pai. Very good. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together and then you can try and spell it.
Ika.
What's the first letter of the word ika?
Ika. E.
Tino pai. E. Now try sounding out the word ika.
Ka.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
Ika.
Did you manage to spell the word ika?
Ika. 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 Yay!
Tino pai. Very good. I knew you could do it.
There are many kinds of ika. Some are big, nui. Some are small, iti. Some are long, roa. And some are short, poto. Some are really good to eat. Ika, ika.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o ni